Hello, everyone. Very good evening and welcome to Prop Expo, one of its kind online property exhibition powered by Prop Tiger. And so this is the online version that we are bringing out to you guys. And we are happy to announce that we during these webinars present you with all the top-notch developers across the city, along with lowest price guarantee and a lot of spot booking offers. Right. So today, let me introduce myself. My name is Kalpesh Yadav, and I'll be your host for this webinar. So today we have extinguished panelists from Godrej Properties with us, along with a representative from Prop Tiger. So let me just take an honor to introduce both of them. So we have Brijesh Pathak with us, who will be representing Prop Tiger. He's an area head in Prop Tiger, and we also have Mr. Sumit with us. So Sumit is who heads the direct sales in Godrej Properties Limited. Welcome both of you, and thank you so much for giving time. Now, I would request both our panelists to please give a brief about themselves and the companies that you are representing. So, starting with Brijesh, if you could please.
Hey, Kalpesh, thanks. It is an honor to be on such a revered and coveted platform. So, a very warm welcome to all our esteemed viewers. Myself, Brijesh Pathak. I look after the sales for the central and western region of Mumbai for PropTiger.com. Talking about the company, so PropTiger.com, since our inception in 2011, PropTiger.com has helped more than 25,000 happy families in their home buying decision. We believe in clear, candid, and transparent services to all of our clients. And on the services side, we have to offer an array of services which comprises of research-based consulting on the properties, which helps one to get their right set of property and not only just buy it, but also till the lock and key. So till your possession, we are there with you for any and every services that can be there for your home buying. Apart from that, we have a dedicated in-house home loan team, which has exposure to almost all the dignified financial institutions and banks. We have legal expert advices in case any of our clients need that. So, and the best part is that all of these services come extreme probably a free of cost to all our esteemed clients.
Thanks a lot, Brijesh. Indeed, I mean, if you're looking for buying a home, Prop Tiger is the solution that you have. Thank you so much, Brijesh. And we also have Sumit with us. So Sumit, if you could please introduce yourself and the company that you are representing.
Hi, Kalpesh. First of all, warm regards to all the viewers. I basically take care for direct sales at Godrej Properties. Godrej Group needs no introduction. Every Indian knows about the Godrej Group, which is there. It has a legacy of 124 years. Talking about Godrej Properties, currently, yes, we as a developer is the #1 listed developer across Pan India. We have developments in different regions, NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai being one of the key market, financial capital of India. Mumbai, we have a lot of concentration, and with Godrej Groups, we try to segment our properties as luxury, a mid segment, and affordable segment. So we cater to all group of audiences in entire Mumbai. So if I'm sure you must have heard about some great developments like Planet Godrej Mumbai, RK Studio recently we have launched. Then we have Trees, which is a popular mid-segment project at Vikhroli. And then affordable segment, we have many projects in Thane, we have in Badlapur, we have in Panvel. So geographically wise, we are trying to cover each and every corner of Mumbai. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that introduction, Sumit. And let's start and move ahead. So I'll start with asking a few questions to you guys, and then we will probably gonna move towards the project details. So Brijesh, I would like to start asking you a question. The entire world is going through the pandemic, and then we have seen none of us have actually imagined that. And ultimately, we found out that the best and safest place during this pandemic was home, right?
Exactly.
So how do you feel? I mean, how this real estate industry is faring up post this pandemic? So can you share your thoughts on that?
So, Kalpesh, probably yes, though it was something which none of us has experienced. So there's no research-based stuff for this COVID pandemic situation. But if you look at the positive side of it, so yes, one thing, as you rightly said, that the safest place in this world, of course, yes, it is home. Now, the best part which has happened after this, that people have also got the cognizance and importance of right set of home. So it is not just the home. Now people know that probably a place, how habitable it should be, what is social distancing, why there should be enough space in a rightful way, what probably a garden means, probably what an amenity area means now. So earlier it was just that you have a carpet, you used to dwell in ki bhai itna carpet and you go with it. But now people have come to know the importance on each and every aspect what the developer, and even the developers are innovating on that. So yes, it is an horizon shift for the whole industry. Not only the habitability on the residing part, one best feature which I've probably noticed, which has come after this thing, is that in the home itself now we are searching for an office. So now with the work from home culture, and I think it is there to stay. It is something which is not a short term thing. Now even the big organizations have taken the tweak of it. Yes, it can be doable. Companies have performed well, and probably they are learning more about it. So if every developer or the buyer is also looking for a space wherein they have some small avenue wherein they can set up some offices and stuff like that. So yes, probably I feel now not only the whole work life balance is now with the homes we have. So I'm just happy that probably we all take it in a rightful sense and move ahead with the good developments. So currently one of them we are discussing today with Godrej. Thanks.
Absolutely, absolutely. And when we talk about good development, I mean, none other than Godrej. I mean, one of the most trusted brands in India. So, and definitely, Sumit, we're going to talk about the project, but I would like to understand the locality. When we say, Godrej Urban Park is coming up in Chandivali. So, can you throw some light on the locality and, what is the importance of Chandivali?
Sure, Kalpesh. First of all, I would completely agree with what Brijesh mentioned. A home buying process today, it's not only about how much square feet you get, how many bedrooms you get. When you're buying an apartment, you are not only buying that particular flat, but you are buying the entire complex. You are also buying what all amenities it comes along with it, what all services is provided to you. You're also buying that particular micro market. So buying a house in Thane, buying a house in Sobo, buying a house in Borivali, western suburbs, central suburbs. So you're also buying that particular locality. So that is something which I completely agree with Brijesh. Now coming to what locality plays, so there are three major aspects. Whenever anyone, any consumer today looks out to buy an apartment, one is the product, second is the location, third is the price. All three all three parameters are the pillars. Even if one of them is not right, uh, the consumer today doesn't go ahead. If the product is not matching my taste, no matter you give them the apartment at Marine Drive, you may give them the apartment at the best possible place, but if that is not matching the requirement of a consumer, the consumer is not going ahead. Location, very important, because if it's going to help resolve my travel time at my work or at my social life, if it is not resolving to the travel time, then you may give me apartment anywhere on the hills, on the waterfalls, but it is not going to help, which is there. And third is the price. When all three combine together, that's where a home buying decision happens. Coming to locality, today Mumbai is a linear city. It behaves way too different than other parts of India, which is there. So in Mumbai, being centrally located is very important. Uh, we have western suburbs, we have central suburbs, we have BKC, we have South Bombay. So selecting a particular destination or a micro market, if you are equidistant from all these particular touch points, it is going to help anyone today and maybe in future to maintain the work-life balance, to have less travel time to workplace, social life, which is there. So location, according to me, if I have to select a particular, if I am a consumer, I have to look out for a property is tick number one. If that tick is not happening, then I don't go ahead, which is there. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely, and very rightly summed up. I mean, if I would like to say there are these three P's, a place, which is the locality, price, and product. So since we discussed about one P, which is the locality, the place, let's talk about the product as well. And so I believe we have a video to show, basis which we can get some understanding about the project as well. So can we just have a video, and then we're going to discuss about it forward. Thank you so much for that video. And now after looking at that video, I have a lot of questions for Sumit now. So Sumit, let's start with first of all the USPs of this project, because Chandivali we seldom see any new developments, right? So
Yes.
and you already told us what is the strategically located it is, right? So can you just throw some light on the USPs of this product?
Sure. So, first of all, the video has come up very well. This video is self-explanatory. It basically gives you a complete walkthrough of the entire project. Before me jumping to USPs directly, I would like to first talk about Chandivali as a location. So while we were discussing more on the locality, a question before, I did mention that in Mumbai, it is very important that you are centrally located. So if you see the trend which has happened in last 5-7 years, basically people who used to be based for 20-30 years in a particular micro market are now wanting to change the micro market because of the social infra, because of the schools, colleges, hospitals in and around your workplace, in and around. So that's where your Powai Chandivali belt, this entire belt in last 15 years has seen a huge jump. People are migrating from your western suburbs, your extended eastern suburbs, central side towards Powai Chandivali. And this Powai Chandivali has now become like, in terms of all your life parameters, your social life, your school, your hospital, your corporate work-life balance. So this has become like the hub which is there. Coming to the USP, yes, Godrej being Godrej, we would like to have an element which is of nature. So as you must have gone through the video, it is better by nature. So Godrej is the only organization, I would say, in Mumbai which has preserved the 1800-acre mangrove at Vikhroli. It's a privately held forest which Godrej owns. So that talks a volume about how conservative and how much sustainable we believe in sustainability. So this project also has the entire USP around greenery, which is there. So we call it urban park because it is there in the center of the city itself, and it will have a lot of green elements inside the project. The biggest USP of the project is the 5-tier greens. So as you were going through the walkthrough, the entire ground level or the stilt level where you have a Miyawaki forest, you have a good vegetation, organic gardens, herb gardens, which is there. So your entire ground level is covered with greenery. Then we have something called as a facade green. So even your facade, we are giving natural green element to that. We are giving lobby green. So as soon as you enter enter your particular tower, you have the lobby which has a complete green wall. So that also makes people very happy. Then we have terrace green. So this is a new element which we have recently started to give amenities on the terrace. With this project sticking to the USP, we are giving even terrace greens where the entire terrace is connected throughout the project. So people can have a walk from maybe a tower 1 to tower 9, and all things are connected with greenery in and around. And the last thing not to forget is the home green, because we would like to have certain green elements inside our home also, where you can grow your own herbs, small plantation, aloe vera, so all this which helps you in your daily requirements. So you can grow that inside your apartment also. So this is the biggest USP. Also, one more important point which I wanted to make in terms of our USP is the mixed use development. So, of lately, if you must have understood, Godrej as a developer is concentrating a lot on mixed use development. We come up with residential complexes along with a huge retail side to it. Retail takes care of your convenience, your daily requirement, your F&B, your salon, your medical store, your departmental store. So all this has been covered at the complex itself. So if you have gone through the video carefully, we have a huge 32,000 square feet, 200-meter frontage of a retail thing, which is there, which is just adding up to the convenience of our consumer whom we look to host here.
Thank you so much for those details. And I'm sure, we have a detailed presentation as well about the project, wherein, we can understand the locality and, all these amenities and USPs that you're talking about. So let's look at the presentation as well. And it would be great, Sumit, if you could please take us through that as well.
Sure, Kalpesh. Yes, we did discuss on Chandivali as a location. Few important points to mention. Chandivali is a location which is centrally connected from western suburbs, equidistant from central suburbs. This is a location which enjoys the operational metro. So we have metros which are ongoing in Mumbai for a long time now, but there is one metro which is already operational, which is your Metro Line 1. The nearest station we have is Sakinaka. That makes your travel very easy. So this is a location which enjoys the operational metro. It also has an upcoming metro. So as we move towards the next slide, we understand in detail. So as you can see, Powai Lake, which is exactly at the center of Mumbai, this is like 2.3 kilometers, 7 minutes from our project, which is there. Chandivali is known for social infra, so all the social infra is been shown across in the map. When I mean social infra, we are talking about the top-notch schools available in Mumbai, Bombay Scottish, we are talking about Hiranandani, we are talking about Nahar International School, we are talking about SM Shetty. So all these schools are like, 5 to 7 minutes from our property, which is there. Today, after post-COVID, hospitals also are very important. So we are talking about 3 big hospitals which are just next to the property. Seven Hills, which is a multi-speciality at Andheri Marol, like 10-15 minutes from a property. Hiranandani, again a multi-speciality hospital which is there. We are also talking about good social infra, or I would say your shopping spree when anyone has. So we have the entire Central Avenue Road of Powai, which is only 7 minutes from our property. We're talking about RCT Mall, which is 15 minutes, which is we're talking about Heiko Mall, 8 minutes, which is there. So in terms of social infra, Chandivali is the first choice amongst people staying in western suburbs and central suburbs, which is there. Powai makes it more attractive because you can go for a walk, jog at the Powai Promenade, which is very beautiful. And people from Powai have been doing this from last years, and that has now become like a replacement of Marine Drive, I would say, for the western and the eastern suburbs, residents which is there. So this was more about the social infra. As we move next, we talk about the metro. As I told you, this property enjoys the operational metro. Metro doesn't need any introduction. Metro one starts from your Versova, it ends at Ghatkopar. The Sakinaka Junction, which is supposed to be your corporate hub, which is the nearest one from our property. It is exactly 9 minutes, 3.2 kilometers. That is something which people can use while going to their work, which is there. Andheri East itself, the entire metro is on Andheri Kurla Road, and that's where your entire corporate hub of Andheri East is. So people here believe 5 minute, 10-minute drive to their workplace. So people who are working at Andheri East, especially Hindustan Unilever, PNG, Bisleri, Solitaire Corporate Park. There are n number of corporate parks in Andheri East, which is there. As we move towards next, we will also discuss more about the upcoming metro, which is Metro 6. So this is also very important. This is on the JVLR road, Jogeshwari Vikrori Link Road, and the Powai Lake, which has been shown highlighted here. That's the nearest station which is there from our project, which is 7 minutes from our project. So once this is ready, traveling from your Lokhandwala to your Vikroli and connecting to other metros will become very easy, which is there. As we move next, this is our basically land parcel. So it's a 3.17 acre land parcel. Prior to this, this was a company which was manufacturing ink. Godrej has outrightly purchased this land parcel. It's a freehold land. We are developing a small complex which is going to host 1 bed, 2 bed, and 3 bed residences. What we have done differently, if you see the MLP carefully, we have 30 plus amenities. Rather than making one integrated clubhouse, we have concentrated on segregated amenities. Post-COVID, this will help a lot because people still have that fear of, to gather at one particular location. Segregated amenities is allowing your children, your teenage, your senior citizen, depending on their requirement, they can get segregated. So someone who wants to use the pool area will be using the pool area. Someone who wants to use the terrace amenities will be moving towards terrace. Someone who wants to use the gymnasium will be moving towards the gymnasium area. Rather than having everything at one particular area and then, maybe post-COVID world, we do not want the integrated clubhouse to get locked down. So this segregated amenities helps a lot. It is 30 plus amenities. We have 9 towers, 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed residences. Very good plot, linear plot. What is in your south is the main road. That's where we have the retail, 32,000 carpet. And what is on the north on the screen, which you see, is basically Powai Hills. So you get very beautiful Powai Hill view, which is there. It also gives you morning sunrise view. Many people under the pre-launch, which we are going through right now, are preferring the sunrise view residences, which is there. And recently, we are also launching Miyawaki residences, which is, we have a small forest inside the development. So if you see on your left hand side, there is this entire area which is dedicated to a forest zone. It's a new technique where you try to grow a forest within 2 years, and it is thick vegetation, something which is approved by United Nations. Every developer now should have this inside their development to give that greenery element, because that is something which is very much missing in Mumbai. As we move towards next, we will talk about the entire USP, which is the urban oasis. As I told you, there are 5 tier of green. So Godrej being a bit conservative, we will stick to that greenery thing, have sustainable living, which is there, and to give you a resort kind of a feeling within the city, which is there. That's our entire idea. So Mother Earth Green, we talked about the Miyawaki forest, organic garden, herb gardens, lot of greenery on your ground level where your amenities are there. So even when a child is playing, even when a teenager is going, you feel fresh. You can go for a morning jogging, walking trail we have within the greenery, within the forest, which is a very beautiful USP of the project. We were talking about the lobby green. So as soon as you enter your particular tower, you have an entire lobby which has been created green. And we're talking about natural. So I just like to inform this is all natural with Godrej. There is no artificial greenery we are talking about. The facade green, where your entire 3 meter walls of the projects are being kept natural green. Terrace greens, which also adds up to the rooftop amenities. So we have good chess garden, we have star glazing, but along with that, it comes with greenery, senior citizen sit out on the rooftop. And the last, very important, is the home green. So with Godrej, we want to start a new culture to have small but limited but small amount of greenery, natural plants, trees, herbs inside your apartment, which is there. So that is the biggest USP. Mother Green, very quickly, I'll just go through Miyawaki. We have 4,000 square feet of a forest area within the project, which is there. Herbal organic garden, fruit orchard. Now, this is something which will help people grow their own fruits. You can pluck in, you can enjoy the fruits at your own complex, which is there. We have a leisure lawn where you can do your parties, you can do your functions, society functions, yoga meditation lawn, which is very important now because people are very health conscious, and that is something which matches the newer generation and the requirement which is there. Uh, Next we move is the lobby greens. Yes. So as you can you see the pic which is there, that represents how your lobbies will be. So this is something which we have done in our commercial complex, Godrej BKC, Godrej 1, Godrej 2. Now we are going to first time start up in a residential complex where you can see entire lobbies are green, which is there. And these are all natural, which is there. What do this help? This helps in purifying the air inside the office, inside your tower lobby area, which is there, and it gives a very good fresh feeling whenever someone is moving to or coming out of the tower going towards their office, or when you are coming back from your office, which is there. It should give you that fresh feeling which is there. Next we move is the facade green. So the image exactly represents what we are trying to do. So your entire boundary of the walls of the entire towers will be made facade greens, as you can see, which is there. So greenery is wherever you see. That's what is the entire agenda. Next we move is the terrace greens. Yes, this image exactly represents what we are going to do at our terrace part. Having rooftop amenities is very important because what has happened off lately is, developers don't have much area in the plot which they are delivering. So when you provide amenities at the terrace, you are giving a lot of space to a consumer. You are not only giving space at the ground level where your other amenities are there, but you are also giving one more area to be accessed. And trust me, when you have 8, 9 towers, the entire terrace being connected, it is huge, 200 meters long, which is there. So terrace greens, then next we have the home greens. Now, just to give you an idea, this is a small element. So we are giving a good stand along with a few plants, which will be given to every residence when they come and take possession. So this is something which will happen from Godrej side. We would encourage all our consumer to maintain and to grow more herbs, more plants inside their apartment, because even your house is very important. You need to have fresh oxygen and that fresh feeling, because when you don't have trees in and around, that's where people like to go for a hill station vacation. So why not make a fresh feeling inside your apartment. Next we move is more about the amenities. Now this is a very important part because this is the current lifestyle. Let me be very honest. There was a time when people used to work morning 9 to evening 8, and they used to work on Saturday Sundays also, but today's generation is a bit different. They work 5 days a week. They like to pamper themselves the Saturday Sunday. So you select a property which allows you so many amenities in and around. You just walk down, you have a beautiful gymnasium of around 3,000 square feet. You walk down, you have a 25-meter swimming pool, you have a spa room, you have table tennis, indoor games, you have a banquet area. So if you have a private function inside your family, you can host the private function at your complex itself. You have also kids play area, which is very important. But nowadays, kids, they don't like to play in a normal garden arrangement. They want a bit innovation which is there. So rock climbing wall. So all these features have been added inside our project which is there to make it more futuristic, to make it more desirable, more aspirational. And anyone who's buying a house at Godrej Urban Park Chandivali has that element of staying within the city and enjoying the resort life which is there. Yeah, we also have a jogging walking trail. This is very important. This was added the last because this was a feedback coming from all the consumers staying in and around. If you have a trail inside this greenery, because we are doing a lot of greenery, it will help the health conscious people. They have this morning, evening jog, which is regular. So we have a 300 plus meter jogging walking trail which goes within the forest, within the herb garden, within the fruit orchards, between the kids' play area, between the lawns. So very beautifully designed, which is there. Yes. So this was more about the amenities about the development.
Thank you so much, Sumit, for this wonderful insights about the project. And I must say, I mean, when you talk about the greenery part, it's amazing that too, providing greenhouses, pretty unique in itself. Moving on, I have some few more questions for you guys before we, just close it. So my next question to Brijesh would be, so Brijesh, we have been hearing that government is also taking a lot of steps, to promote real estate and to boost up the upcoming projects. So what is your views on this?
So, of course, Kalpesh, see, probably there has been a clear segregation. If you see in the recent past, uh, even though we were hit hard by the COVID and all, but December 2020 recorded one of the highest sale. So I think yes, government is taking some great initiatives. One of them is the reduction of the SDR, and even backed strongly by the banks and the financial institutions because I can reckon we are at all-time low on the home loan interest rates as well. So all these small factors, probably, I will not say small factors, these are the initiatives which have given a horizon shift when you say from the part of the government and the banking institutions, which has given a lot of boost to the real estate market in the recent past. And that's why I can see that we have completely come out of this COVID after probably the OND quarter, December recording the highest sale, and now we are selling through on the higher side on the sale. So yes, it has made us a huge comeback, and thanks to government for those initiatives.
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, the home loan subsidies and the home loan rates are pretty rock bottom now.
Correct.
So now we are talking about some finances. So we discussed two P's out of three. One was the placement, the locality, and the product. Now comes the price. So would you like to discuss about the price, and also if there are any spot booking offers for our prospective home buyers from Godrej?
Kalpesh. So rightly mentioned by you, three P's very important for someone to take a decision to buy a residential property. Before I go into the pricing and the benefits which someone can avail during the pre-booking window, which we are going to, which is already on, and 13th of March, this Saturday, we are going to start the launch which is there. So you may have seen people moving behind me, which is there because we are at the sales gallery right now. We are preparing ourselves so that Saturday there is going to be a good amount of crowd which will come to book their residence at Godrej Urban Park. So apologize for that thing because in sales gallery this is how the atmosphere is, and you need to be on top. So coming to the price, yes, we have introduced a one bed, two bed, three bed residences. Uh, till now in my career with real estate, this is the most efficient layouts which I have seen. A one bed coming with two washrooms with a utility area, which is never heard in Mumbai because normally a one bed, whenever a developer designs a one bed, he forgets to give that washing machine and the utility area. So the layouts which we have designed is one of the most efficient. We have three levels of basement car park. In terms of pricing for a one bed, we start at 1 crore 25 lakhs plus taxes, which is there. We have a two-bed residence which gives you an L-shaped living dining area that starts at 1 crore 75 lakhs plus taxes. And then we have a three-bed apartment where you have three washrooms. We are talking about two master bedrooms inside the apartment. And that starts at 2 crore 75 lakhs plus taxes, which is there. Now, this is going to be our launch price, which we are going to start from 13th of March. I know you're going to ask me about the spot offer and the benefits. So without you asking me again, I'll again reveal it. So as Brijesh mentioned, okay, there are some incentives which are given by the government in terms of the stamp duty registration. We also have an offer related to stamp duty registration to make it more sweet for a consumer today. What I would request is, okay, yes, there are going to be spot benefits, and for that, a consumer can walk down to our sales gallery, which is at our site, which is there, and you can experience a very beautiful sample flat we have made for 3 bed, which is there. We will be having a huge offer around stamp duty registration, which will manage the cash flow of a consumer. So I'll not go into detail because 13th is the right day when a consumer will understand this in detail. But with Godrej, one thing is very clear. We are very transparent in terms of our communication. Our possession timelines are way faster because in last 5 years, Godrej Properties is a developer who has time and again proven how faster we delivered our projects with the quality which we had promised, which is there. So just to give you an example, the recent possession we have given at Trees, which is our Vikhroli project, it is 1.5 years before the RERA possession timeline. And that's why people trust Godrej. So Godrej, there are core value is trust. The first thing which comes in your mind is trust. And we are trying our best to live up to that. And that's what has been delivered in our past performances. I would just say to all our viewers is, you can come down to our sales gallery. We have a beautiful sample flat to show. You can also see the progress because all the noise which you are hearing in my background is all the construction work going on at the sales gallery. And you will be able to decide on a 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed residence as per your choice. You will be happy hearing the spot offers which Godrej is offering. So do not wait, come down and avail the priority booking window benefits which are there.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much, Sumit, for that. And I'm sure you'll be happy hosting a lot of prospective home buyers coming this weekend. Thank you so much, both of you, for spending time and discussing the project with us. Would like to inform all our viewers that we'll keep on presenting these kind of webinars for you. And for this, please keep on watching this space. I once again thank all the viewers and our esteemed panelists for giving the time. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you, Kalpesh. Thank you, Brijesh.